The scale of this project is unprecedented. Decades of neglect. We'll start with the forward tracks.
I've never seen anything this big before.
The scale of the ice buildup here requires precise removal.
Copy that, engineer.
And assess the structural integrity of these lower suspension points carefully. We need to reinforce it. Focus on the upper hinge, it's weakest there.
Ladder secure. Begin ascent, engineer. Roger. Moving up.
The dashboard is completely frozen. The controls are fused with rust and ice.
Start with the lower track links.
Understood. We'll mark the damaged sections.
Engage and secure.
Hooks are set. All right, team, focus on the cracked chassis above the port track. We start the deep clean there. Roger, commencing prep on the front cabin. Starting the high pressure now. Watch the windows. We'll need to work slowly to reveal the logo. Pressure washers engaging on the tracks. All right, team, focus on the upper cabin cracks first. Watch your footing on the wet scaffolding.
The primary frame is ready. Prepare the systems for detailed restoration.
The filter is disengaged. Start the retraction sequence.
Copy that. Moving to the staging area. check the torque on the main housing bolts again before we clear it.
Already done, lead. Everything is within tolerance.
The foremost biggest restoration requires precision. Here we see the first major replacement panel being carefully lowered into place. We need full coverage on the lower quarter panel. Adjust the angle until the reflection is consistent across the welds.
The first coat looks good. Ensure the second pass is consistent across the welds.
We're applying the first coat of the industrial dark yellow. Getting the viscosity right now is key for the final gloss stage. Maintain the overlap at 50%, and we need a flawless gloss on these front plates.
The gloss finish is perfect, exactly to spec. The dark yellow really stands out under these lights.
Keep the pressure steady on the lower seams. We need full coverage before the next shift.
This final gloss stage is critical. It seals the dark yellow paint and provides that deep, wet look the client requested. Keep the pressure steady on the spray gun. All right, moving the platform up now. Check the reflection on section 4. Ensure the ventilation remains constant during the high gloss application. Roger that. We're monitoring the airflow now. The high-gloss protective coating sealed the entire structure perfectly. The finish quality is exactly what we aimed for. Systems ready. Initiate startup.
Confirming mechanical response. Monitoring all subsystems.
Vibration and response look good. We're operational.
Systems engaged.
Solid power.
She's ready to roll.
Engaging drive. Tracks are aligned.
Monitoring the chassis articulation.
Verified operational.
The suspension response is within specification.
Good weight transfer.
Ready for the next block.
The foremost bigister is cleared for departure. All systems appear operational. Initiating snowfield test run.
Secure the primary conduit line to the interface. Affirmative. Checking alignment now.
Adjusting alignment.
Stop hoist. Lowering. Position verified.
Copy that. Bringing them in.
Lock them down tight.
Set the track section down. Align it with the hub. Initiate the locking sequence. Ensure the tension is correct.
Increase pressure by 0.5. Roger. Check the alignment, please. Perfect. Perfect. Tension is locked.
Perfect. Lower it slowly. We're almost there.
The foremost bigister has completed its full restoration. All systems are checked and ready for final assembly.
Diagnostics show all systems nominal. We are ready to proceed.
Confirmed. Final checks are clear.
Engage power. Let's see it come to life. Systems ready. Initiate startup. Confirming mechanical response. Monitoring all subsystems. Vibration and response look good. We're operational.
Systems engaged.
Solid power.
She's ready to roll.
Engaging drive. Tracks are aligned.
Monitoring the chassis articulation.
Verified operational.
The suspension response is within specification.
Good weight transfer.
Ready for the next block.
The engine sounds healthy, and the tracks are moving smoothly. Confirmed. Vibration levels are minimal. Ready for final diagnostics check. The foremost bigister is cleared for departure. All systems appear operational. Initiating snowfield test run. The restoration is complete. The foremost bigister is ready. Excellent work. The tracks are perfect. The primary systems are showing optimal readings.
We've confirmed all track alignments are within tolerance.
Proceed with the startup sequence. The foremost bigister is now fully operational and ready for testing. Engaging main drive in extreme conditions. Monitoring track performance through the snow. The foremost bigister is now fully operational and ready for testing. Engaging main drive in extreme conditions. Monitoring track performance through the snow.